Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktail for party, updated. Start by picking a base spirit and 2 complementary recipes, then list mixers and garnishes. Measure ingredients precisely and prepare simple syrups and citrus ahead of time. Use ice wisely to control dilution and have glassware and tools ready. Keep a non-alcoholic option for guests and taste each batch before serving to adjust balance and sweetness. Prepare your station with tools and chilled glassware so making drinks flows smoothly during the party. Pre-batch mixers where possible and label containers to speed service. Slice citrus and store in airtight containers to preserve freshness. Keep garnishes organized on a tray and have napkins and stirrers nearby. Assign a pouring station for refill bottles to avoid crowding and set a small cleanup area to keep the bar tidy and efficient. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for a lifetime warranty and all-day comfort while you host. They pair surprisingly well with standing by the bar and serving friends, and they last through every party cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Batching saves time and keeps flavor consistent across many servings at your party. Mix spirits, citrus, and syrup in a large container and chill, then add carbonation just before serving to retain fizz. Label batch contents and suggested pour sizes to help guests self-serve responsibly. Keep a tasting cup for adjustments and strain batches when serving to remove pulp or seeds. Rotate garnishes to keep presentation fresh and appealing for every guest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.